at the Dollar Tree.
Got a whole box.
We got a whole box. It's.
Oh, you got it from Dollar Tree?
Previously, we got like 3 of them.
I mean,
okay.
it's repeating. It's a fraction of what online costs. So it's like this. It's like a surprise.
And they probably got the Dollar Tree probably got these.
Who wanna open one?
No, not yet. You gotta get them all out.
Okay.
The Dollar Tree.
So this is the receipt.
That's
You
the
see,
receipt.
yeah.
The Dollar Tree probably got it for about half price.
Yeah.
And we just strolled up there, and they were like, "Oh, you're getting the whole box."
They're like, we are these 2 grown adult kids.
No, they didn't
Yeah,
say that.
adult.
They were like, well, we got people coming in here to, you know. I just put those out.
By the way, it's our record.
I'm telling the story.
Yeah.
Telling the story.
Well, I'm
And
adding to
we
the
got.
story.
Yeah, no, you're not adding to the story. You're detracting from the story.
Okay. Oh, so how much?
So the story is.
So much. Like, there's so much toy inside this box.
Yeah, we had to pack it back in there. Because they had to scan every single one of these.
Okay.
So
What?
So how many do you think there are?
Mike told me it's 26, right?
There's 24.
It's 24.
But there's 25.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, one of them's on the box. And he's
Yeah.
Dr. Strange.
It got a Doctor Strange
like
one.
Yeah, look at that. That's
Yeah.
Strange.
Which probably means the Doctor Strange one is the most cheapest one because
No, it's the best one. It's the only one. Like this was the only box has Dr. Strange.
oh
Yeah,
okay.
that's why we got it.
That's why we picked this box.
Oh, okay.
Alright, who wanna open?
No, so you gotta be careful with it.
You don't even know
Be
who Doctor
careful.
Strange
You
is.
do it from the bottom.
Jacob said he doesn't know who Doctor
didn't-
Voodoo is.
I didn't know who
Do you know?
No, I don't.
Oh, you're terrible people.
So like that, we gotta be careful with them.
Because we're gonna glue it back.
We're gonna put them back together.
And then we're gonna give it away.
Oh, you're gonna get it away?
Yeah, we might give it away.
Okay.
So there, that's a good open.
Oh.
And then you pop. Does he have it?
I think Ben's struggling.
There's sparkling. Yes.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, he got it.
We
got
got
it.
that one.
Alright, there it is.
So, who's inside though?
We don't know. Let's see.
I don't know.
I don't know.
So,
And then
Yeah,
this
thank
is
God
how
it-
you pop them out.
oh,
Oh, we got a Dr. Strange.
Oh, this is Dr. Strange.
That's a good one though. That's a.
this is Doctor Strange again?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
Dr.
but that's the contemporary.
Oh, it's the contemporary one.
Wait, that's different?
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
Doctor Strange regular, and then there's Doctor Strange No, that's regular. That's from the comics.
Oh
Oh,
So
yeah.
he's got his little thing.
Oh, so the contemporary is the movie one, right?
I think so.
Okay. And
Oh,
there's
this is,
other
this is
characters.
contemporary. This is contemporary. You see?
Oh,
You
this
see?
is
Hold on,
Benedict
hold on.
Cumberbatch.
Yeah.
Hold on to the things.
And then you can
Oh.
put it on top of each other like this.
Oh, is that how you do it?
Yeah, you can like stack them up.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
Or you can put it on the side like this.
Okay.
I'll have to record this.
You want me to help me to record this? Okay. That's how real men open it.
Really?
Yeah, a real man open it. Hey, that's a little girl opening style. You see?
Did you see how my pecs are flexing?
You see how I get it out so easily? Oh, what's this? I got a
Oh,
That's
this is Doctor Voodoo.
voodoo.
This is actually the second generation of Doctor Strange.
Oh, is it? I have no idea.
He's the second generation of Sorcerer Supreme. Yeah,
This is-
Sorcerer Supreme.
What is it? What's that?
I don't know.
Doctor Strange is the Sorcerer Supreme of Earth,
Oh,
and
And we got another one of those.
something happened to
dark
him,
elves.
and Doctor Voodoo become the second one. Okay, this is of course, like this is a bad guy, right?
is that a bad guy? I don't know.
I don't know. He looks pretty bad.
They looks like a
Oh,
bad guy.
it's the nightmare.
Yeah, it's nightmare.
I think he's a dark elf.
Yeah.
Ta-da! I feel like it's gonna drop. And it's
gonna
gonna all
drop?
fall. And
Okay.
then Jacob's gonna kill me.
Okay.
Trust Newton.
Trust Newton. Yeah, everything falls down, man.
You actually trust in Newton?
Yeah, I trust Newton.
That guy stole a lot of result from his friend.
Oh,
Uh oh.
what's that one?
Uh oh.
Oh, this is
That's a Doramu.
Oh, this is the Mamu.
Doramu.
The Ramu?
Doramu.
I thought it's the
Here,
Mamu.
this is how you connect them like this.
It's Dormammu. Right?
Oh!
Oh no!
Oh,
It's okay. It's okay.
Don't break it. Yeah, it's Dormammu. Dormammu.
Doramu.
It's Dormammu.
There's an R in there. Doramu.
So it's Dormammu.
This
Okay,
is the.
never
This is
mind.
supposed to be the girl. This is supposed to be the girl.
Is there a girl?
Is it a girl?
But no.
No,
Tilda
it's a girl in movie. The Asian one, right?
It's the
Tilda
girl.
Swinton one. No, she's not Asian. She's British. Tilda
Uh,
But
Swinton.
it's supposed to be an Asian person, right?
it's supposed to be a Chinese elder Chinese elder.
Yes, but do you know the reason why they cast Tilda Swinton?
Why?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Probably
she's hot.
she's hot.
Because she's a good actress, and also
She's sexy.
to appease.
What the hell?
She looks like a man. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh,
Okay.
really?
Yeah.
No, I thought she was cute.
They could got Jackie.
She was like 20 years ago, but she's still.
No, she still looks like an amazing.
They could got Jackie Chan playing this.
She looked like.
Look at Ben's face.
She
I was
looked,
like,
she,
what the
looked,
fuck?
she looked like a man. Yeah.
Does she?
Huh? Yeah. No. That's why they hire her for because she has.
She looks powerful, right?
Yeah.
To be
Oh,
the Asian
but,
one.
but the reason.
Yeah. Oh, I know.
古一法师。
Yeah, 女法师, I know.
中国那个
Yeah, I know. I know.
The
You don't
T-
think she's cute?
She's not cute. It's cool.
What's wrong with your people?
What's wrong with
I think she's cool.
Oh, there's another one. I got another one.
Okay.
Oh.
Whoa.
What's that
I
one?
don't. Oh.
Oh,
It's
Vampire?
Spire.
Oh, spy.
Spire.
despair.
Despair.
Spire. I don't.
What's that?
I don't know.
I don't know about
I
it.
bet he's a bad guy.
This is the only guy. There's only two guy I don't know. In here, it's Nightmare and this guy. Yeah.
That is so cool. We have so many.
We almost have a full set.
Yeah.
I think we have a full set.
Of course you have full set. It's a set, right?
I don't know. We might be missing like one.
Oh really? Is that possible?
It's possible.
So one out of 26, 25?
We're missing the other Dr.Strange.
No, is there? Another one? No, there's no other
two
one.
Oh,
Dr.
no, I got
Stranges.
this one again.
Yeah, but we got
Oh,
Dr.
yeah.
Wudo.
Dr. Udo. We got that one.
But we got both of them, right?
No.
No, Mike got another
There's
one.
another Dr. Strange.
This is the comic one. And Mike got a contemporary one.
Yeah, I got a contemporary one.
Yes, it's hiding.
Oh, okay.
The
We're
Benedict
still missing
Cumberbatch.
one.
We don't have the. Do we not have the fireman, right?
Sherlock is
No,
hiding.
we got him.
We got him from the last one.
Oh, we got to get the green guy.
The green guy. Oh.
Who's the
Baron
green guy?
Mordo.
Oh, Baron Mordo?
I think he's a bad guy.
He's the bad guy. He used to be in
One
the
of the-
same school.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
The one of the student.
yeah. It's African American actor plays
Is he
in a
African
movie.
American?
Yes,
Oh no, I got this guy.
the Mamu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really wonder how your iPhone look.
How to record?
Like how's the video from
Oh,
the iPhone?
this is recording from iPhone 11 Pro.
But
so-
this is Google Pixel from.
So it's supposed to be better than Google Pixel.
Is it?
This is last year's phone, right?
This is 2 years ago from. Or is it last year? I don't know.
Yeah, it's 2 years ago.
So, Yoon, why would they not sell you an iPhone 11?
Oh, because they refuse to do so. They are too arrogant about
So
their.
I guess they
Your money is not as green as anybody else's?
I don't know, man.
Oh no, I
I
got.
pay
another
dollars.
contemporary. The contemporary, yeah.
Yes.
I think you say they
Smell
were.
that.
Oh
Yeah,
it smell
they-
like glue.
Oh no, they smell like glue.
That's what he said, yeah.
So I guess them two was lining up at Apple Store.
Yeah, and
So
we
he
got through
got-
the line, and I
But there
like
he is. There's the green guy.
we
That's the final
bought
set.
we bought Ben. Yeah, this is Dr. Mudo.
Yeah.
we got to stack them up now. So
Like,
that's
Baron Mordo.
That's a full set.
Yeah,
So,
Ben got his iPhone 11 Pro, and then I asked the salesman if I can get an iPhone 11.
because they
and-
were on the same line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he said I should do the line again. I should line up again.
They should go back in the first.
But I was already in the store.
What the hell? Like,
Yeah.
They could have just grabbed 2 iPhones and give it to both of you.
Yeah.
Instead of saying, oh, you're gonna.
I wouldn't have stood for that.
Yeah.
I'd have trashed the place.
You?
You're gonna trash the place.
How are you gonna trash the place?
It's because it's all glass, right?
It is all glass.
Yeah,
you want
Oh.
to go to jail?
Do you have insurance back you up for doing that?
Yeah, I got Nye. Nye will be there.
Okay.
He'll be like, I don't know, man. You pissed him off.
Okay.
He's your problem now.
Yeah.
I would say customer service. That's your issue, man.
I need an adult.
Yeah.
Oh, so I guess we have the full set. We have everyone.
Yeah,
We already got everyone.
Yeah, we got everyone. All right,
Oh,
fine.
nice.
I'm not gonna give them away. I'm gonna sell them.
I would be so surprised, like if you can get an Iron Man out of this box.
You want to open them all, or you want to sell the closed ones?
I'm just kidding about selling them. I might sell a couple, but I'm gonna give away. You
Okay.
want one, Ben?
You want to give away?
Yeah, pick one,
Okay.
Ben.
Oh, we got.
I would like to have a complimentary
Yeah, sure.
Dr. Strange.
You want to take one, Ben?
Yeah, I want to take one.
Yeah, take one
Nice.
for collection.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, they do the.
Paint job's not the greatest on some of them.
Oh, so. Yeah,
Oh.
I like the contemporary one.
Did it record?
It record. Mine's record.
Yeah, it records. Of course, it records.
4 minutes.
It's spying on you all the time.
There's your complete set, Nye.
Yeah, complete set.
You already have these guys somewhere.
So how many did you guys open?
One. Oh, we opened.
1, 2, 3, 4,
13.
5, 6,
Okay.
6, and 8.
And you already got the
So
full
that's
set?
14, right?
Is it 14?
Yeah, 14.
Okay,
So we got 10 left.
Oh, okay. So we opened 14, and there's a complete set right there.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10.
Okay.
And then we got him.
Yeah, we got him. Oh, he's a contemporary one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's one. That's cool set.
He's probably the most popular one because it's in the movie. Like rest of it, except the Mamo. The Mamo is in the movie too.
I think he's in the movie. And
Yeah,
then,
Asian one is in the movie.
Ancient one's in the movie, and then the green guy, he's in the movie.
Oh yeah.
I thought he was the.
He's a black dude.
I thought he was the white guy.
I think he's
No.
white.
I think he's the white.
I think
guy.
he's white.
He's white in.
He's the lead. He's the bad guy leader.
Oh no, that's not. Like actually, the Baron Mordo is the
Black guy?
the black guy.
Doramo.
Like he was allied to Dr. Strange at the beginning, but then he betrayed him. Probably in the next movie, if there ever Dr. Strange 2, he will be in the next movie.
Only that one smells like glue.
Yeah, only that one smell like glue. Rest of them actually smell alright.
Yeah, this is smell pretty normal. Yeah. Yeah, they are made from China. Of course.
From China,
Yeah.
Made in China.
Yeah, it's made in China.
just like Nye.
Hey, he's made in China too, man.
Yeah, now it's made in China, but
made in Mongolia.
education in United States, right?
Well, that's because when we make politician argument, I argue for Americans. When
Yeah.
I argue with him,
Yeah.
when I argue with him, I argue for China.
No,
because I can argue on
You
both
you
sides.
You argue for the Filipino people.
That's not me. That's your girlfriend Yogi.
no. Mike is arguing with Jacob about politics because you argue for Chinese community here. That's what you represent. And if you argue with me, then I'm from China, so you argue with me. You can only stand in the American
Yeah, because you guys only
Side,
see the
right?
Chinese side.
Oh no, I see all the sides, but
You see all the sides?
I have my
You could
bias.
go to Saturday Market and sell these to the comic book guy.
Oh yeah, I probably could.
Oh yeah.
But how much do you think he would give me? Probably
If
not
they're
much.
bagged, you could say $2 and then you make $20.
Oh really? Can you do that?
I could.
So probably this.
Or I could just put it on eBay and try to sell.
Then you gotta do shipping and postage.
Yeah, but they-
And eBay will charge you 10%. Also,
It's 20 cents.
They-
if it's
Or you can put it
10%.
on Facebook Marketplace.
What the? Well, I can just keep it as a collection until the value actually go up and then sell it.
oh, do you think this will go up?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
I think how much do they sell on eBay for this?
We found this whole set for like $83.
What?
That was the cheapest. Yeah.
That was the
Really?
Like the whole
cheapest,
like the
82.
whole unbox.
Oh, people are they are crazy about this.
But for blind boxes, what you do is that's why you keep them blind because people want to have the fun of opening up.
Okay.
How's
It's
my
like
name?
those people who went to
Did you
lottery.
get it cut?
No. Why?
Because you look like
You look like
you need to go see.
no, you look like you haven't taken a shower.
I took a shower, man. What the hell? It's just with the hat.
Okay.
You look like you're straight. Like you need to have like a wispy white
Okay.
mustache.
I think sometimes
wispy goatee, and you'll fit right in with the 1970s kung fu movie.
okay.
From one of those Chow Yun-Fat movie or Stephen Chow movie.
Yeah. You can be the pizza delivery guy.
And
Do I look like one?
and
I do look like one.
but the hair in those ones is all wigs.
Okay, so this is end of the
Video. Yeah, just send it to me.
not video but end of the
Yeah.
open box
Yeah,
experience.
right.
Yeah.
They hold
So we
together
got
pretty good.
whole set for 15
So we
like
could-
15
We opened
14 entry. Yeah, 14 entry for the whole set.
Pretty lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, we paid like $26.
Oh yeah, that's true. You paid the $26 for the whole set.
Yeah, one for you as a surprise.
Okay, I already got one.
Oh, you already got one?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay.
Alright.